Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Low OG in the neutral grey colorway. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time, as always, to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Thank you. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. Today, we've got a look at probably one of the sneakers of the summer. We've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low OG, and we've got it in the neutral grey colorway, whereas on this label, it says white particle grey. If you haven't checked out our high OG Air Jordan 1 neutral grey colorway, which obviously this takes inspiration from, go check it out. We love it when you guys see our old videos. Today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low OG in the neutral grey, and we got this in the UK 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. And let's have a look as to why I called it the sneaker of the summer. I mean, when it comes to summer, guys, all you need are a crisp pair of white sneakers. It's weird because I always find out that the Air Jordan 1, not the Air Jordan 1, the Air Force 1, white on white, that always sells out like very quickly. But, you know, I was lucky enough to get a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Low OGs. And there are differences between a lot of the Jordans that claim to be low and this one. So you got the Air Jordan 1 High. We love those. A lot of love for Air Jordan 1 Highs. We've got tons of reviews for it, so check that out if you ever get the second. Those are the retros of the Air Jordan 1. Obviously they were released in '85. Then we've got the Air Jordan 1 Mids. I've seen a lot of people hate on those. Those are just a lower cut of the highs, still with the ankle collar, but it's just a bit lower. Then you have the Air Jordan 1 Lows. Those aren't the same as these. These are the OGs, which is just simply a cut of the Air Jordan 1 High. But this adopts the colorway of the Air Jordan 1 High OG, the neutral grey to be specific. But that is different to the Air Jordan 1 High because of the different cut, where that is a bit more higher. The way that the shaft of the sneakers heel, if that makes any sense, the heel here is just a bit more straighter. They are lovely, those neutral grey. I wish I had it with me on my person so I can show you how it is kind of different. Obviously it's missing 2/3 of the sneaker, but that neutral grey High OG is obviously the inspiration for this sneaker. So let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got the typical Air Jordan 1 patterning here with that traction, probably the best traction on an Air Jordan 1. Well, an Air Jordan, sorry. We'll find it on this Air Jordan 1. Looking at the midsole, so it's an all rubber midsole unit. You've got the air bubble encapsulated here, hence the air. And going along onto the upper, so this upper is an all leather upper. And I've kind of got my gripes with this because it feels a bit inconsistent from Jordan brands. What I mean is, just if you were to delve deep, if you look hard enough at the different types of leather used, here in the middle part of the sneaker is totally different to the toe box. I thought it would be like this, of the same skin of the cow. Sorry if that triggers any vegans out there, I'm sorry guys. And the whole sneaker just feels like it's coated in this waxy leather. I mean, I do prefer my leather just to be nice, tumbled. You'll find it in every other Air Jordan 1, but this, it just feels a bit weird. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice to feel, because it feels a bit like nubuck suede, that's with the hairs really cut low. That makes any sense at all. But yeah, it just feels inconsistent from the brands to me, because it doesn't mirror, as I mentioned, the toe box and this middle bit. But anyway, no one's gonna be touching your shoes. So yeah, it's just a problem that I find myself personally. So let's get into the details. You got the perforation at the toe box. The mud guard is made out of leather as well. As I mentioned, it feels a bit waxy to me. You look at the middle part where both on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker, you've got a grey swoosh. It's in suede, beautifully cut, and it's just perfect. It's so nice. It's just easy, you know, simple. We love that here at Oneupreviewz. Moving along onto the heel, and you've got a heel panel with the suede cut. You've got the Air Jordan Wings branding here, embossed. And we look at the lacing system. And what I love about this is, unlike every other Air Jordan 1 highs, and I believe the mids as well, they come unlaced, but it's beautiful to see that these bad boys come laced. And you've got your choice between white laces and grey laces, obviously just to mimic the tones, the neutral grey. And you got the Nike swoosh branding on the tongue. The tongue is nylon, nicely padded as well. And on the insole, you've got the Nike Air branding in that neutral grey. That rounds off my review, guys. Honestly, apart from the materials that I have my problems with, this is pretty much the cleanest sneaker that you can get on the market if you're able to get it. I haven't checked how much it's going for on StockX. I believe it's still going for retail. So if you're able to get a pair, go cop a pair. I can't wait to show you guys what these look on. So roll that footage on me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I would suggest that you get your true to size Air Jordan fit. For me, I'm a UK size 7.5 and I got the right size in. So you can see my toes are where they need to be. These look so fly on. I'm wearing these Carhartt cargo pants. No, forgive me, the Carhartt aviation pants. So I prefer that, the wide leg fit. And I mean, these go with that. You can wear black trousers, jeans, whatever. These are what you need for the summer. When it comes to the comfortability, guys, forgot to mention, it's relatively comfortable. I want to say it's the most comfortable Air Jordan, but these don't hurt my feet. With all that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on the Instagram account. And until next time, peace.